Hi students, welcome back to my channel. In today's class, I am going to discuss about ozonolysis of alkynes. Ozonolysis of alkynes. In previous class, I already discussed ozonolysis of alkenes. Ozonolysis of alkenes. Okay students, so in today's class, we discuss ozonolysis of alkynes. Take one example. Alkyne, take acetylene. CH triple bond CH. CH triple bond CH. This is acetylene. Acetylene on ozonolysis. On ozonolysis. So break this double bond. Break this double bond. Put oxygen in each carbon. So we get compound H C double bond O bond. Third bond between carbon and carbon remains same. So C double bond O H. C double bond O H. So in this reaction we also get H2O2. H2O2. So H2O2 further oxidizes this compound into acids, that is add OH and OH. So finally we get HCO OH plus HCO OH. Formic acid is formed. HCOOH means formic acid. Formic acid. Okay student. Suppose if acetylene CH triple bond CH and reacts with ozone and in presence of zinc in water, so we get, break this double bond, put oxygen, so we get H C double bond O bond C double bond O H. So in this reaction stops at this stage. Okay students, so first in this first reaction it is called oxidative ozonolysis because in this reaction H2O2 oxidizes this compound into acid, so that's why this is called oxidative ozonolysis. But coming to second reaction, when ozone reacts with acetylene in presence of zinc and water, so this is called reductive ozonolysis. Take another example. Suppose take CH3 bond C triple bond CH. CH3 bond C triple bond CH propane and reacts with ozone and water. We get, so break this double bond, put oxygen, so we get compound CH3 bond C double bond O bond C double bond O H. So in this reaction H2O2 is also formed. So this H2O2 is oxidizes this compound, put OH and OH. So we get CH3COOH plus HCOOH. So this is called acetic acid. This is formic acid. Okay student, suppose same reaction reacts with CH and ozone, zinc in water, so we get product CH3. So break this bond, double bond, and put oxygen in each carbon. We get CH3 C double bond O bond C double bond O H bond C double bond O H. This is the product. Okay student, so what is the difference when alkene or alkyne reacts with ozone and water? So first of all, carbonyl compounds are formed. These are further oxidized to acids. But whenever we use ozone in zinc in water, zinc in water, reaction stops at carbonyl compound stage. Carbonyl compound stage. Okay, students. So finally, once I repeat key steps. Suppose alkene, C double bond C, or acetylene, CH triple bond CH, when reacts with ozone and water, so break this bond, put oxygen and oxygen, so 2 moles of CH2O, that is formaldehyde is formed, HCHO, formaldehyde. So in this H2O2 is also formed, that H2O2 oxidizes this formaldehyde into formic acid, so 2 moles of formic acid is formed. Okay, students. Similarly, when ozone reacts with acetylene, break this bond, so we get C double bond O H bond C double bond O H. This is also further oxidized to break this bond, add OH, so we get H CO OH. 2 moles of formic acid is formed. Suppose these two reactions taken in zinc and H2O, that is CH2 double bond CH2, when reacts with ozone and zinc in water, so break this bond, add oxygen, so we get 2 moles of CH2O, that is formaldehyde. Suppose acetylene triple bond CH, when reacts with ozone and zinc and water, so break this double bond, oxygen, we get CHO, C double bond OH bond C double bond OH. So reaction stops at this stage. Okay, students. So first two are called as oxidative ozonolysis. So whenever we use zinc in water or dimethyl sulfide, these two reactions are called as reductive ozonolysis. Okay, students, hope you understand. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share to more number of students and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.